slightly away. Ground your feet and proudly stand, like a mountain on the land. Sukhasana. Sit down gently, calm and slow. Feel your peaceful breathing flow. Cross your legs and softly smile. Rest and breathe a little while. Anjali Mudra. Hands together, heart so bright. Fill your soul with love and light. Take a breath and gently see. Kindness grows in you and me. Tadasana. Reach up tall and touch the sky. Watch the fluffy clouds drift by. Standing steady, proud and free. Strong as any tree can be. Urdhva Hastasana. Arms up high and stretch so far. Reach beyond the brightest star. Lift your heart and breathe in deep. Wake the energy you keep. Urdhva Hastasana. Stretch and lengthen, feel so light. Shining like the morning bright. Every breath can help you grow. Like a flower in the glow. Sukhasana. Sit with peace and close your eyes. Imagine rainbows in the skies. Take a breath and feel the calm, wrapped in nature's gentle charm. Upavista Konasana side bend. Bend beside and reach away. Stretch your body as you play. Long and tall from hip to hand, like a rainbow over land. Bhujangasana. Cobra rising, proud and bright. Greeting morning's golden light. Lift your chest and gently see how strong your body wants to be. Seated side bend. Reach across and gently sway, like the trees on breezy days. Stretch your
happy, wild and free. Warrior one, brave and tall. You can do it one and all. Child's pose, rest and smile. Take a peaceful little while. Eagle wings begin to fly, gliding softly through the sky. Camel reaches to the sun. Yoga magic full of fun. Warrior two stands proud and strong, marching gently all along. Dancer pose, spin with grace. Keep a smile upon your face. Triangle stretching far and wide. Feel the sparkle deep inside.
Steady breathing, soft
Side angle, reach and grow. Let your inner sunshine show. Rivers warrior shine bright, like a star in the night. Gomukhasana, calm and still. Feel the peace your heart can fill. Take a breath and softly say, Yoga made my day today.
Lift your chest and look ahead.
Breathe
Happy
in joy,
thoughts fill
breathe
up your
out
head.
light. Everything
wide
will
and
be
breathe in
alright.
deep.
Clap your
Take
hands
the
and
energy
smile
you
so
keep.
wide. Yoga friends,
Navasana.
right
Sail your
by
boat across the
your
sea.
side.
Floating happy, wild and free. Strong and steady as you row. Watch your confidence grow. Virabhadrasana 1. Warriors standing brave and strong, marching proudly all along. Reach your arms up to the sky. Dreams are waiting way up high. Balasana. Rest your body, calm and slow. Feel
Paschimottanasana. Reach your toes and gently fold. Calm and peaceful, brave and bold. Take a breath and settle low. Feel your flexibility grow. Paschimottanasana. Stretch along and softly bend. Let your worries slowly end. Every breath can help you see how relaxed your body can be. Phalakasana. Hold up strong from head to feet. Feel your power, nice and neat. Steady muscles, strong and bright. You can hold with all your might. Chaturanga Dandasana. Lower slowly, stay so strong. Moving gently with the song. Keep your balance, don't give in. Feel the strength you have within. Chaturanga Dandasana. Strong and steady, low and light. Hold your body nice and tight. Every second helps you grow. More confident with every flow. Forearm plank. On your forearms, strong and tall. You can do it, one and all. Keep on breathing, nice and slow. Watch your inner power grow. Anjaneyasana. Step one foot and gently rise. Reach your hands up to the skies. Open wide and stretch with grace. Feel the sunshine on your face. Anjaneyasana prayer. Hands together, heart so true. Feel the calm inside of you. Balance softly, stand with pride. Peace and kindness by your side. Marjariyasana. Round your back just like a cat. Stretching gently on the mat. Slowly moving, nice and free. Happy as can ever be.
30. Chaturanga Dandasana. Lower down with steady might. Keep your posture firm and right. Every breath can help you grow. Stronger with each yoga flow. 31. Halasana. Lift your legs and reach behind. Leave your busy thoughts behind. Stretch and breathe so calm and slow. Feel your peaceful feelings grow. 32. Ardha Uttanasana. Lengthen tall from head to toe. Feel the gentle energy flow. Back so straight and eyes ahead. Follow where your breath is led. 33. Uttanasana. Fold down low and softly sway. Let your worries drift away. Touch the earth and calmly be. Floating with serenity. 34. Ustrasana. Open up your heart with grace. Lift your chest toward open space. Shining bright like morning sun. Yoga practice full of fun. 35. Virabhadrasana 2. Warrior strong with arms out wide. Stand with courage, strength, and pride. Gaze ahead and hold your ground. Power and balance can be found. 36. Natarajana. Dance with joy and lift your heart. Balance is a work of art. Stretch and shine like stars above. Moving gently with self-love. 37. Trikonasana. Make a triangle strong and tall. Stretching gently through it all. Reach one hand up to the sky. Watch the clouds go drifting by. 38. Bithilasana. Lift your chest and smile today. Let your worries float away. Breathe in deeply, nice and slow. Feel your happy spirit glow. 39. Utthita Parshvakonasana. Reach so far from toe to hand. Strong and steady as you stand. Stretch your body long and free, flowing like the rolling sea. 40. Viparita Virabhadrasana. Reach up high and bend with grace. Feel the sunshine on your face. Warrior shining bold and bright, filled with courage, love, and light. 41. Gomukhasana. Sit up tall and take your time. Feel your body gently align. Open shoulders, breathe in deep. Find the calm your heart can keep. 42. Yoga Finale. Hands together, hearts aglow. Feel the peaceful energy flow. Every stretch and every smile made the journey worth the while.